Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how can translate any language using ChatGPT. Translation is the process of converting written or spoken words from one language into another language while preserving the meaning, tones, and style of original text. Translation requires a deep understanding of both source languages, it means the languages being translated from, and the target languages, it means the language being translated into, as well as knowledge of the culture and social context of both languages. Translation can be done manually by a human translator or by using machine translation tools such as online translator or specialized software. While machine translation has been increasing in recent years, human translators are still preferred in many cases, especially for complex text, creative writing, and situations that require a nuanced understanding of the source languages and culture context. Of course, you can use Google Translator or any other translator or any translator application, but this is the best technology of 2022. So I want to show you how can translate a language using ChatGPT. So let's go to this openai.com. I start with the openai.com and do it new chat. What I want to do, if I say good morning into German, yeah, we got it. It is in German, and it's the good morning here. And then next we can try the into Spanish. Well done, we got into Spanish. Same as we can try the different, we can use it in the different language, whatever you want. If you want, here it translate into Italy languages. And next, what can we do? I'm gonna do, it's a short story, but it is the few sentences and a few words here. So what can I do? Here is a story about a cat. I'm gonna do, I want to translate into German. Let's see what will come. Well done, we are getting the translating from English to German. So it's very easy, just you write here or paste here and it will automatically translate into one language to another language. Let's start again. Like if I do not know, even I can read the text, I paste here, even I cannot read this word. Here is the same thing, it's a story, it's about the cat. So it's very easy to translate by using ChatGPT. Even you do not know the languages, even you cannot read the text. In the end, I can say that ChatGPT is as a language model. It has a wide range of capabilities that allow it to interact with humans in the conversational manner, and it is very easy and very fast. Thank you for watching this video.